In this video, I'll be sharing 50 daily use English sentences that you can incorporate into your daily conversations. This is the part 3 video and you can watch previous and upcoming parts as well. Sentence 101. Have you watched the part 1 and part 2 video? Sentence 102. Can you please turn up the volume a little? Sentence 103. I enjoy spending time in nature, especially hiking. Sentence 104. What's your favorite type of dessert? Sentence 105. I'm sorry, but I can't make it to the concert. Sentence 106. I'm excited about the new book release. Sentence 107. Can you recommend a good place to buy fresh produce? Sentence 108. I need to organize my closet and declutter. Sentence 109. Let's go for a bike ride in the countryside. Sentence 110. What's your favorite type of exercise? Sentence 111. I'm interested in learning more about different cultures. Sentence 112. Can you please close the window? It's getting cold. Sentence 113. I enjoy watching documentaries in my free time. Sentence 114. Let's plan a weekend road trip to a nearby city. Sentence 115. I'm sorry, I forgot to bring my wallet. Sentence 116. What's your favorite type of comedy? Sentence 117. I'm considering adopting a pet in the future. Sentence 118. Can you recommend a good place to buy affordable furniture? Sentence 119. I need to do some grocery shopping later. Sentence 120. Let's have a game night with friends this weekend. Sentence 121. I'm really impressed by your artistic skills. Sentence 122. What's your favorite type of cuisine to cook at home? Sentence 123. I'm excited about the upcoming music festival. Sentence 124. Can you please speak up? It's hard to hear you. Sentence 125. I enjoy going to art galleries and museums. Sentence 126. Let's have a barbecue party in the backyard. Sentence 127. I'm sorry, but I won't be able to make it to the meeting. Sentence 128. What's your favorite type of vehicle? Sentence 129. I'm interested in learning about different meditation techniques. Sentence 130. Can you recommend a good place to buy affordable clothes? Sentence 131. I need to renew my passport before the trip. Sentence 132. Let's go for a swim at the beach this weekend. Sentence 133. I'm really grateful for your advice and support. Sentence 134. What's your favorite type of outdoor adventure? Sentence 135. I'm considering taking up photography as a hobby. Sentence 136. Can you please open the window? It's getting stuffy. Sentence 137. I enjoy exploring new places and trying new cuisines. Sentence 138. Let's plan a movie marathon with our favorite films. Sentence 139. I'm sorry for the misunderstanding. Let's clarify things. Sentence 140. What's your favorite type of music to listen to? Sentence 141. I'm interested in learning about different art styles. Sentence 142. Can you recommend a good place to buy electronics? Sentence 143. I need to make a doctor's appointment for a checkup. Sentence 144. Let's go for a hike and enjoy the beauty of nature. Sentence 145. I'm sorry, but I can't make it to the party this weekend. Sentence 146. What's your favorite type of cuisine to try when traveling? Sentence 147. I'm excited about the upcoming theater performance. Sentence 148. Can you please lend me a pen? I forgot mine. Sentence 149. I enjoy attending live music concerts and performances. Sentence 150. Can you comment a sentence? If you found these 150 daily use English sentences helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.